Hey folks, we're RVpaws and we are the best aftermarket upgrade to those bent Lippert RV feet. And today we're going to give you an overview of our products. Let's start by taking a look at the 9-inch snap paw. As the name suggests, it is 9 inches in diameter. And it is a direct replacement for the 9-inch Lippert foot that came with your RV. One of the major differences in our feet are the design. And the design starts with a 1/4-inch thick plate steel base and a central carbon steel dome that is supported by 6 1/4-inch gussets. When you put all of this together, it makes for an extremely strong structure capable of supporting the heaviest of RVs. Now let's take a look at the 12-inch version, which is exactly the same, only just 12 inches in diameter. The height clearances are exactly the same as well, made from the same materials of a 1/4-inch steel and a carbon steel dome in the middle. Let's talk about some of the features and benefits of RVpaws. The first feature and benefit is very obvious. It's a lot thicker and way more substantial, meaning that it's tougher and capable of supporting the heaviest of RVs. Now let's talk about the second feature. The second feature is the way in which they are mounted. RVpaws are mounted so that they can articulate up to 10 degrees in any direction. What this does is allows the foot to settle on the ground when it's being deployed, find its natural position, and then moments later, the ram will come and rest on the surface of the dome, applying nothing but vertical pressure to the foot. The third benefit is closely tied to the second benefit in that when you have this articulation, there are no other stresses that are imposed on either your chassis or the actual hydraulic system should the foot land on unlevel ground. And then finally, if you're Snappads fans, there's more great news. RVpaws are directly compatible with Snappads in both the 9 and the 12-inch versions. Finally, we are so confident in the strength and durability of our product that we stand by a lifetime guarantee. That is that if you bend the foot, we will replace it for you for the life of the product. For more information about RVpaws, click on the links in the description below, send us an email, or go to our website. Thanks.